Good morning students. Welcome to today's English class. In this class we are going to continue the poem Self-Reliance. This poem is written by the poetess Kathleen Delicatto. In the previous class we have learnt only 8 lines of this sonnet students. In this class we are going to learn the 6 lines of this sonnet. Before begin this poem, once let's sing this poem, okay? How much we have learnt in the previous class, okay? All of you open your book, 12th page number. Let's start. I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions, but ultimately it's I who will decide. I'll be the ruler of my dominion, determining which road I'll take with pride. This much we have learnt in the previous class, students. In the previous class, the poetess was telling us that she was alone and she had learned how to stand alone in her life. She had trust on herself. Without depending upon any other people, she started to travel on her way of success by trust on herself. Understood, students? If in that way of success, if she failed, then she should not stop the traveling. Again, she try to get the success. If she don't know about anything in her life, then she can ask the opinions of any other people. But that should be not the last decision, students. Because final decisions should be ours. Means here poetess. She is telling to us that we have to get the decisions of our life. We have to trust on ourselves. We should not stop the way of success. If we fail, we have to try again. We have to try to continue. If we don't know anything, then we have to ask the opinions of other people. But finally, we have to decide what we have to do. Understood, students? Then I'll be the ruler of my dominion. Means here I'll be the administrator of my life. I'll be the administrator of my life. So I have to get the decisions. I have right to get the decision of my life. Understood, students? So, determining which road I'll take with pride. I have to decide which road I have to take to get success in my life. Means we are the main thing. Self-dependence is main thing for us to win in our life. Confidence is very important and self-dependence is very important in our life to win in our life. After that, what she had told to win in our life, students? What were the words of poetess Kathleen Delicatto to inspire us to win in our life? Let's see. In the 9th line of this poem, page number 13, students. Though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take, though people in abuse raise their voices, it's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win. What is that, students, in this poem? Though some may disagree with my choices. If I decide something to do myself, if I have decided something to do, at that time some people may disagree with my choices. They will not agree to from my decisions. Why they will not agree with my choices? Because thinking they know a better path to take. They know better from me. They had knowledge. They have knowledge better than me. They were thinking. They were the superiors. They were the knowledgeable people. I have to listen to them. Only I have to decide. I should not decide about myself. They have to decide about myself. I have to involve the decisions of other people. That's why they were not they were disagree with my choices. If I decide anything to get my success, get the success in my life. Why all the people are not disagree, students? Some people. Which kind of people? The people in abuse. Abuse means unkind. Unkind people can't tolerate the success of us. So that's at the time they will disagree with our choices and they think they know better from us. So though people in abuse raise their voice again and again, they will say that our decision is not correct. We have to change our decisions. In our life, if we are having our aim, all the people will have their aims. To fulfill that aim, they'll do hard work and get any other opinions and they will decide. Understood, students? Some people who are unkind, they can't tolerate the success of the people, and at that time they'll raise their voices. Understood, students? So they disagree with the choices. It's up to me, my destiny to make. Destiny means here the event that will necessarily happen to a particular person or thing in the future. That was decided from the God, which was decided from God in the future. Means which will happen in the future. For that we have to make hard work. We have to try to get the success, students. Here a poetess is saying that it's up to me, my destiny to make. Why should the people raise their voices? Why should they disagree? I should not give any attention for that. What the people are telling. Understood, students? I can get the opinions of them, but that opinions will be not the final decision. I will be the administrator of my life, so I should not only get the decision of other people. I have to get the decisions. Why should I listen to unkind people, abuse people? I have to give concentration on only about my aim, my success, my way of success. Understood, students? So here the poetess is telling like that. It's up to me, my destiny to make. It's my destiny, my future to make. I'll be the ruler of my destiny. So why should I listen any others sayings? So I have to think about myself. If anybody wanted to give a good teachings for me, if anybody wanted to say a good thought for me, then I can welcome that. But if anybody is not tolerating, he was telling that he was superior and I have to listen to that person, then why should I listen to that person or that people? So I have to think about myself. By my experience, I can get the decisions. I have to listen to the good people's opinions, and the unkind people's opinions are not necessary to get. I have to get the self-confidence, self-dependent, not to depend upon any other people. If again and again we are depending on other people, then they will think they were the superiors. So we have to listen to them. Our decision is wrong. So that's why they will raise their voices, students. So if we are self-dependent, then no need to get any others any others will agree or not. No need to get the decisions of any other people. So we have to decide about ourselves. We have to trust on ourselves. We can do it or not. That is our decision. We have to think about that. What is the ability of ours? We know about that. In these situations, we should not listen to any other people who will not tolerate the success of us. Understood? Who will encourage us So for them, we have to give the respect and we have to listen to them. Those who are discouraging us, we should not listen to them. We only give attention for our success. Understood, students? So let us learn. By being true to myself, I begin. How I have to start my successful journey, students? How I can start my way of success, students? By being trust on myself. I have to trust on myself. I can do it or not. If you wanted to invent anything, then you have to think that you can invent this or not. If you wanted to become a scientist, then you have to think, is there ability in you or not? The decision is yours. If you wanted to become an engineer or a doctor, anything, you have to think, I can read that, I can learn the MBBS or engineering. Is there ability for me to read or learn all those things? That you have to think. Other people can say, unkind people, abused people can say to you that MBBS is very difficult and you have to spend much more money for that. At that time, they will discourage you. But if you have trust on you, if you have ability to learn all those things, then you can get you can learn that. Understood, students? So, the trust on you, that should be there with you. Understood, students? So, don't listen the unkind people who will discourage you. You have to get the self-confidence. Okay? You have to get the trust on you. And to learn how to stand alone, how to win. How to stand alone means here, how to live in your life without depending upon any other people. Without depending upon any other people, how can you live in your life? That is important. And how to win in your life without depend upon any other people. If you wanted to win in your life, then you have to be trust on you and you have to be think you can do that or not. The decision should be yours, students. So the poetess is saying that we have to alone face the difficulties. If we fail in the difficulties, then we have to try again and again and get the success. In that field of success, in that way of success, if you wanted to get anybody's an experience, anybody's opinion, then we can get that. But that is not the last or final decision. We have to get the final decisions because we are the admins. We are the administrators of our destiny. So, we should not get the only the others' decisions in our life. We have to think about our life. In this way of success, in this way of life, so many people, unkind people can't tolerate the success of ours. At a time, they disagree with our choices and they raise their voices to stop our way of success, to stop our journey of success, students. And why they do like this means they thought that they were the superiors and they only having the knowledge. Understood, students? So, they know better than us. So, that's why they will disagree with our choices and they discourage us to travel in our success. At that time, why should we listen of those people? We should think about ourselves. We have to build our destiny. We have to make our destiny because it's my destiny. It's our destiny. Here our poetess is telling it's her destiny to make. Why should she afraid about the people who were abused and who were raising their heads? I should concentrate only about my success, and by being myself, true to myself, by being true to myself by being trust on herself or trust on ourselves. We have to get trust on ourselves. What is the ability of ours that we know? That's why we have to get trust on ourselves. What we can do that we know. And then we can travel in our success. So, then we can learn how to stand alone and how to win in our life by self-confidence, by self-dependent, by without depending on other people. We can travel in our success and we can win in our life. So, self-dependent and self-confidence is very important in our life to win in our life. You have to get as aim, students. So, and you have to try to win in that, means you have to fulfill that aim in your life. You know, in this student life also, simply coming to school and learning and going, this is only not a life, students. This is my opinion, you can get. But you have to decide about your life. Understood, students? Why you are going to school? Not only for passing your time. Not only passing your time, students. You are learning all those things. What is needed to you in your life, students? Understood? So, after learning, you have to think what you can do in your life to settle in your life. That is your aim. To fulfill that, you have to do hard work and you have to decide. And students, you have to know what is your ability and you have to go through that field. And then you have to get your success. Understood, students? You should not think about yourself. You should think about your parents who will give you all the time, precious time for you, and who will do hard work for you. And after when they will become old, aged people, at the time, that is your responsibility to take care of those people who are taking care of you now. Understood, students? That's also your aim. So, first you have to listen to your parents, and then you have to think about your ability, and after that you have to do hard work, and after that you can get the success. And students, you have to get the self-confidence, self-dependence. And students, not only your parents should say again and again, learn, learn, learn. You have to learn that. You have to get the, you have to think about that. Why you are learning. Learning is very important for you. Understood, students? In your life, learning is very important to you. That's all you have to think, and you have to decide what you will do, what you will become in your life, and what were the responsibilities of yours, and how to win in your life. Understood, students? Trust on you and travel in your way of success. Understood, students? These are the things were told by Kathleen Delicato to us. She has inspired us. She had inspired us. I hope you will involve these all in your life. You will decide about your life, and you will know about your responsibility and your ability, and you will do hard work, and you will get the success in your life, and you will win in your life. Understood, students? So, this is the poem. This poem is for memorization, students. You have to memorize the poem properly. Thank you so much, students.